We know you are passionate about your work. We're here to tell you that we are as well. Our mission is to deliver the most motivating and comprehensive vision training tools to the field of optometry. EYEBAB VT is a vision training platform that offers tools and activities which are based on established methods within the field of optometry and developed by work professionals. Our goal is to optimize your workflow so you can focus on doing what you do best, but with more efficiency. With our system, you can make your own system. Motivation is key when it comes to learning and concentration. That is why our apps are dynamic, engaging, and customizable to fit your patient's needs. You will be able to offer your patients more qualitative activities which they can do at home at their convenience. Collect relevant data about your patient's progress and obtain more efficiency in your business. The tasks are unique each time, enabling you to track real patient progress and avoid repetitive learning. Our Vision Training Toolbox is a digitalized supplement to your traditional workflow. We constantly develop new apps, making your toolbox bigger and better. Many of the training activities are also available for print, and even here, you can adjust the settings within the app so that it suits your patient's needs. More than ever, you are able to tailor and keep track of your patient's activities, ensuring motivation, flow, and efficiency between users and professionals. EYEBAB VT is a web-based, future-proof platform accessible on all common devices. Take advantage of the digital opportunities. Start your free trial today. Visit eyebab.com.